Good day, everyone. Francois from HyperScale Garage. Just finishing off part 64 of the Viva build, and apologies in advance. This video is a little bit disjointed. Wow, putting on the rear quarter panels, virtually impossible. Blind pins that you needed to press down, but you couldn't press down because you couldn't get to them. Wobbly bits that went back and forth. Finally figured out a way to do it. Took it half apart, put back together again. I don't know if the video was still running when I had this ginormous pile of parts that fell off, as the previous builders have said. It keeps falling to pieces. However, you can put them back together again. At some point with those chairs, if they keep falling to pieces, I'm going to break out the crazy glue. I digress. A bit frustrating. It is coming together. You can see in the pictures that the body is starting to take shape. I'm hoping the worst is behind me. However, like I said at the very beginning, this build is not for the faint of heart. It is very, very, very challenging. If you take your time, don't lose your patience, it'll come together. But these side panels were just a bear. But they're done. So, all's well that ends well. Thanks for watching. I'm going to go have a cup of tea, and we'll catch you on the next one. And as always, you guys have yourselves a great day.
you.